1 kilogram chicken, the small pieces, fenugreek, salt, turmeric, roasted cumin powder, curry leaves, chicken masala, paprika, coriander seed crushed, carom seed, chaat masala, garam masala. Then we're gonna use gram flour, cornstarch, cashew nuts, crushed ginger, garlic, green chilli, mint leaf, cilantro, and fresh lemon juice, olive oil. Then we're gonna add all the dry masalas, cornstarch, gram flour, and crushed ginger, garlic. And then we're gonna add 1 egg. Let's add all the green stuff now. Then the fresh lime juice. Mix it well again. Perfect. All is ready. We're gonna have deep fried the chicken. On medium to slow heat, it will take probably 10 to 12 minutes. Let's fry the cashew nut and green chili. We're gonna use it as a garnish.